Hello guys, welcome to our EXLOADER channel. In this video I want to show you neural modification for CS2 which is called NAIM free. Unfortunately, most of the parameters are not available in this modification as it is a free version, but if you wish you can easily purchase the full version. In the meantime, let's go to our website and I'll show you where to download our app and how to run the modifications. In our website you can read information about our app, you can see supported games, we have a lot of different most popular online games here. You can check latest updates for modifications, you can read frequently asked questions, and if you have some trouble with our application, you can message us and we try to help you. Here is our contacts. And to download our application you need to click this blue download button and just wait. And after downloading, as you might have guessed, you will need to install it. The installation process is very simple. You can click instant installation or you can go to configure manually section, and here you can change directory where EXLOADER will be installed. You can activate create applications shortcut in the desktop folder. You can activate applications name randomization, and you can launch EXLOADER after the installation process. Click start installation and wait for a few seconds. And after the installation process you can launch our app. The first thing you can do is register in our application, but you don't have to do this and you can log in a guest mode. You won't be able to write reviews, but it won't affect the ability to run modifications. I'll log in as a guest. And nice, in front of you the best modifications library in the world. Here you can see 5 different tabs: mods, overview, games, your mods and bookmarked. In mods tab you can choose modification. In overview tab you can see most popular modification of the week. You can see popularity of games during the week. You can read most popular comments of the week. In games tab you can choose games. As you can see, we have tried to collect as many of the most popular online games here as possible: CS2, Dota 2, GTA 5, Rust and other. In your mods tab you can add your own third-party modifications, and in bookmark tab you can add modifications to bookmarks. Let me show you some interesting features. In the settings tab you can change background image and transparency, you can change color, and you can activate synchronize the weather feature, and you can activate adaptation for special events. Applications, background and some of its elements will transform themselves depending on the current holiday. These are very cool and unusual features that I haven't seen in other apps. And let's back to the games tab. Let's choose the CS2 here and let's find modification which is called NAIM free. And here it is. In modifications page you can read the description of this modification, you can see screenshots, you can read reviews, and of course you can leave your own review. And since only the Aimbot is available in this version of the modification, the configs cannot be installed. But let me show you how to install them using the example of another modification. For example, Xhack. You need to go to a special section, and here you need to select the config and click install. Then you must activate this config in a special section in the modification itself. And let's back to NAIM free, and to launch this modification you need to click this appropriate button, launch, and just wait. EXLOADER will do everything automatically. And as you can see from the Aimbot radius, the modification has successfully launched. Since this is a neural network, it does not directly embed into the game, but works as a third-party application. And to open this modification, you need to click standard button for modifications, insert. And here it is, modifications menu. Here you can see 6 different tabs: Aimbot, visuals, neural, scripts, profile and other. But only the first section is available to us, and only partially. You can activate aim, you can change sensitivity, you can change target, you can choose head and body, you can change acceleration and kill delay, and that's all. Other sections are locked. But you can change priority of this neural network app. and you can change refresh rate. This modification is not very accurate, but its advantage is that it does not interact directly with the game in any way. And let me show you how the aimbot works. Maybe targeting doesn't work perfectly, but it's perfectly safe. You can change values of the sensitivity, acceleration, kill delay, and in the very bottom you can disable this cheat. Just press this button. Well, here is a modification with one function. It can be very useful in various situations, and now you know where to download it and how to launch it. Well, that's all for me. You watched the video on the EXLOADER channel. Subscribe so as not to miss our regular reviews on a variety of modifications. Thanks for your attention and bye.